Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Central banks around the world threaten to increase borrowing costs to tame high inflation this week, and there is some risk of float one percentage point rise by the U.S. Federal Reserve. The upcoming Fed meeting and the strong dollar are keeping a lead of price, said Thomas Fargo of oil broker PVM. For November, delivery fell barely from GMT, US West Texas Intermediate, a British public holiday for the funeral of Queen Elizabeth limited trade volume during London hours on Monday. Oil also came under pressure from hopes of a easing of Europa gas supply crisis. German buyers refreshed capacity to the fierce Russian has the via suit Nord Stream 1 pipelines, but this was later revised and the gas has been flowing. Crude has scored this year, with the Brent benchmark coming close to its record hours. In March after Russia's invasion of Ukraine, expert supply concurs. Worries about worker economic growth and the demand have since pushed price lower. The US dollar stayed near a 2 day hike ahead of this week's decisions by the Fed and the other central banks. A stronger dollar makes dollar dominates commodities and expensive for holder of other currency and tends to weak on oil and other risk assets. The market has also been pressured by forex of weaker demand, such as last week prediction by the International Agency again that there would be zero demand growth in the fourth quarter. A stronger dollar makes dollar dominates commodities and expensive for holder of other currency and tends to weak on oil and other risk assets. The market has also been pressured by forex of weaker demand, such as last week prediction by the International Agency again that there would be zero demand growth in the fourth quarter. Despite those demand for supply concurs kept and this line in the check, the market still has a start of European section on Russian oil hanging over its supply in this spurt in early December. The market is unlikely to see a quick response from US producer. Easing COVID-19 restrictions in China, which had demands to the outlook for demand the world's second biggest energy consumer, could also prove some optimism and analysis said. A British public holiday for the funeral of Queen Elizabeth limited trend volume during London hours on Monday. Most expect the Fed will raise its benchmark rate by a 0.75 percentage point and also did in June and July, while there's some who see possibility of the even bigger full point scare. Investors have worried in a recent day that the Fed's aggressive action to cool inflation will tip the economy into a recession. Fed officials, including Chair Jerome Powell, have said they will fight with whatever it takes to tame the success. Powell will hold a press conference after the Fed made its surge of tech to inclusive software ENC 2.8% after a report about the hack that ended up putting parts in of its new brand Dev Auto Video gem of in the internet. AutoZone ENC shares rose 0.7% after a report better than expected revenue and profit as the auto part retail same store sales rose 6% from its last year. The 5 of 11 sector went down in early trending. Healthcare stock fell 1.5% weekly by 5.5% drop in the share of Moderna ENC. The energy sector slipped 1% as oil prices declined shot by expansion of weaker global demand and by US dollar strength. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq logged their worst weekly drop since June on Friday as marker fully priced in the last 75 basis point rise in the rate during the week, with the Fed fund futures showing a 21% change of a whopping 100 bps in scare. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.